little bit difficult to related to this. No, you can directly instead of that you can write like this, and then after that you can write it in the dimensional quantity. Okay. So here also meter, which can be represented as distance, and also second square means what? So time square. So and also kilogram, it will be represented as related to mass, and meter same as like the what? Distance, not the distance. Here the fundamental quantity not only length, mass, time. Okay, it can be related directly. We can relate it to the what? L. So length in these particular within these three fundamental quantity we can relate it here. So that's why. Okay. So directly we can relate it in distance. Okay. Meter means you can relate it directly distance. Okay. So distance cube. So after that you can finally you can write down the quantity, dimensional quantity. Okay. Distance means what? So distance it will be nothing but the length. So L divided by time means you can use any short term t. Okay. So we can write like this: L t power minus 1. Okay. So this p will be going in a numerator. Okay. So the t power 1 it will be going upward now. T power minus 1. L t power minus 1. So the same as like that here also. L t square and L t power minus 2. And also here m divided by distance L cube. Okay. So m L power minus 3. Okay. So here the meter cube it will be represented as volume. Okay. So the volume also which can be related to the length. Okay. Either we can denote it as distance or what here volume. So volume also it can be related to which fundamental quantity? Length. So that's why we can represent by using a L. L is the short form for what is the particular within these are all the three fundamental quantity. Okay. How it can be related to the derived quantity. So that is a very important thing. So then only we can proceed further. Whatever the equation we are going to get in now. So in that particular equation we just want to what? Transfer to the dimensional quantity by using these types of process steps. Okay. So here we just want to take either volume or distance. And volume and distance both are the things it will be related to the which fundamental quantity? Length. Yes. So that's why some of the cases we can directly denote it as by using a unit. We can directly return as the dimensional quantity directly without these steps. No, we can directly return that dimensional quantity. It is also possible. Okay. So meter per second square, kilogram per meter. Meter, whenever the meter will be coming now, you can directly write in the term what? L. L is the length. Okay, wherever the places will be related to mass, kilogram, whatever the things, no, you can directly write in a M, capital M. And also same thing, whatever the area we can using a second, no, it will be related to obviously what? Time. So that's why we can relate. This is a very important part. So by using these dimensional quantity for this particular secondary variables, no, like velocity, acceleration, density. So these are the variables we are using in the problems. Whenever we are going to solve the problem, no, at that time it will be very important. Okay. So after that, the fourth important thing in dimensional analysis. So variables. So the variables which can be divided into two types. So one is a dependent variable. So the another one is independent variable. Okay. So the variable dependent and independent variable. Before that, we just want to write one of the formula for velocity, root of